Welcome back to Automatrix. Today, we're diving into a car that's been resurrected with a modern twist. The 2025 Porsche 9212, the original Porsche 9212 from the 1960s, was known for its balance, simplicity, and driving pleasure. Now, Porsche has reimagined this icon for a new generation, blending classic styling with cutting-edge technology. Let's take a closer look at what makes the 2025 Porsche 912 so special. At first glance, the new 912 is a visual treat. Porsche has done a masterful job of preserving the original's timeless design cues while incorporating contemporary elements. The round headlights, sleek silhouette, and subtle curves all pay homage to the original 912. However, it's now enhanced with sharper lines, LED lighting, and an overall aerodynamic profile that not only looks stunning, but also improves efficiency. Under the hood, or rather the rear hatch, the 2025 Porsche 912 surprises with its unique powertrain. Instead of the air-cooled flat-4 engine found in the classic model, Porsche has equipped the new 912 with a state-of-the-art electric motor. This motor delivers an impressive 350 horsepower, ensuring that the 912 is more than capable of providing an exhilarating driving experience. Thanks to the instant torque typical of electric vehicles, the 912 offers rapid acceleration, going from 0 to 60 mph in under 5 seconds. Range anxiety, not a problem with the new 912. Porsche has equipped it with a high-capacity battery pack that provides an estimated range of up to 300 miles on a single charge. Plus, with access to Porsche's expanding fast-charging network, you can regain up to 80 of the range in just 30 minutes. This blend of performance and practicality makes the 912 a fantastic choice for both city driving and weekend road trips. Inside, the 2025 Porsche 912 brings a perfect mix of retro charm and modern luxury. The cabin's crafted with premium materials like leather and brushed aluminum, but you'll also find a range of advanced tech features. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, and a central touchscreen controls everything from navigation to entertainment. Despite its compact size, the 912 offers a surprisingly spacious interior with comfortable seats and ample legroom for both the driver and passenger. Driving dynamics have always been at the heart of the Porsche experience, and the 2025 912 is no exception. The car's low center of gravity, thanks to the placement of the battery pack combined with a finely tuned suspension, results in exceptional handling and cornering abilities. Porsche has also introduced a new regenerative braking system, which not only improves efficiency, but also enhances the driving feel, giving you precise control over the vehicle. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The 2025 Porsche 912 comes with a suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision avoidance. These features ensure a safe and confident drive, whether you're navigating busy urban streets or cruising down a winding country road. Porsche has also taken a sustainable approach with the new 912. The production process incorporates recycled materials, and the vehicle itself is designed to be more environmentally friendly. Even the leather used in the interior is sourced from sustainable processes, and Porsche is committed to reducing its overall carbon footprint. Overall, the 2025 Porsche 912 is a remarkable blend of the past and the future. It captures the essence of what made the original 912 such an icon, its lightness, agility, and driver-focused spirit, while bringing it up to speed with modern performance, comfort, and sustainability standards. It's a car that appeals not just to die-hard Porsche enthusiasts, but to anyone looking for a unique and thrilling driving experience. That's all for today's review. If you're as excited about the new Porsche 912 as we are, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Automatrix for more car reviews and automotive insights. Share your thoughts about the 2025 Porsche 912 in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.